Chase UK credit card review. Are the benefits worth it? If you're already a Chase UK customer, you might have noticed their new credit card rolling out, complete with digital first features and no fees. But is it actually worth applying? Let's dig into what it offers and what it doesn't. Chase UK's new credit card brings several standout benefits. Number 1, 0% interest on purchases of up to 15 months. Gives you breathing room to pay off big buys. No annual fee, so you can hold the card long term at no cost. No foreign transaction fees, and competitive MasterCard FX rates, great for travel spend. Numberless card design, with all details accessible securely via the app. Built-in app features like real-time spending alerts, instant freeze, unfreeze controls, and free credit score tracking. And don't forget Section 75 protection on purchases between £100 to £30,000, providing added consumer friendly. Let's see what everyday users are saying. Some positive voices say it's free and no FX fees abroad. Good to keep it active for when you need it. However, some criticisms say it's offered but brings nothing new. Better 0% terms elsewhere. Missed chance, no cashback or rewards, unlike other cards. Here's how it compares to key categories. It has a 0% purchase offer for up to 15 months, no foreign transaction fees, no cashback and rewards, but it does have Section 75 protection, strong app based controls in real time and are secure, not available for balance transfers, and an APR after the intro period of 24.9%. Some key takeaways. It is excellent if you need fee-free spending abroad or a temporary interest-free purchase solution. But if you're after cashback, long 0% periods of 20 to 25 months, or balance transfer options, there are stronger choices. So is the Chase UK credit card worth it? If you already bank with Chase, want seamless digital control, and travel or make big purchases often, it's a smart zero-free option to hold on. But if you're chasing long-term perks or cashback, you might want to look elsewhere for more rewarding features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.